Hey everyone, today we're at Beer Wine and Spirits in Albury. As you can see, we've got a walk-in refrigerator right here. Let's take a look. Pretty big. See? We have Buffalo Tridents right there. One set. Cool. Here's what that looks like in the back, coil. It's a really big walk-in refrigerator, not gonna lie. So this is I think if I said 5 fans, there's actually, well, I said 5 fans, yeah. Earlier I said 4, but I meant 5. The Buffalo Trident, as you probably know already. So that's about it really, and I hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys next episode. Bye.